Embedded software development is increasingly complex. Leveraging and debugging different processing architectures, system configuration, and managing source code are all critical, and developers need tooling that enable them to manage all these priorities as efficiently as possible. Analog Devices is proud to introduce CodeFusion Studio, an embedded software development platform based on Microsoft's Visual Studio Code. CodeFusion Studio provides open source development tooling for ADI's embedded processors and MCUs. CodeFusion Studio is designed for embedded developers of all experience levels, featuring intuitive tools that enable easy startup, while providing advanced features for additional control. Key features include a new project wizard for quickly creating projects, as well as example applications to jumpstart development, toolchain support for building applications for ADI's growing portfolio of processors and microcontrollers. Essential debugging tools including multi-core heterogeneous debug, breakpoints, disassembly, and more. Zephyr support including project creation, build, and debug. Integrated pin and clock config tools for graphically assigning pin signals and performing clock configurations. Modern UI featuring a CI-friendly command line utility. ELF file visualization tools for analyzing compiled applications and dwellings into the inner workings of ELF binaries. Open source development tools, and more. With a roadmap of new features, CodeFusion Studio will continue to streamline embedded development and give engineers greater control in solving difficult design challenges. For more information and to try CodeFusion Studio today, please visit analog.com/CodeFusion Studio.